Littlefield Lofts number 303 features a balcony and is located in Austin, within just 0.7 miles of Austin Convention Center and 0.9 miles of Capitol Building. The air-conditioned accommodations is 701 meters from Shoal Beach, and guests benefit from complimentary Wi-Fi and private parking available on site. This apartment includes 2 bedrooms, a living room and a flat-screen TV, an equipped kitchen with a dining area, and 1 bathroom with a shower and a washing machine. Popular points of interest near the apartment include Frank Erwin Center, the University of Texas, Texas State Capitol, and 6th Street. The nearest airport is Austin-Bergstrom International Airport, 6.2 miles from Littlefield Lofts number 303. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. For more videos, hit the subscribe button.